Hi, I'm Heather with Bartels Doors and Hardware, and today we're talking about the Terra series by MWE. Here on display in our South Florida showroom, we have three Terra wheel types. We have the Terra M, we have the Terra MXL, and we have the Terra H for wood in another room. The two main differences between the Terra M and the Terra MXL is A, weight, and B, the way that they're designed. The Terra M has exposed screws, allowing for more of an industrial modern type look. The Terra MXL has everything concealed. It's thanks to a magnetic covering that allows for all of the screws, the hardware, to be concealed and hidden. Now you have two different track types with the Terra. You can recess your track into the floor, or you can choose to mount your track to the top of the flooring without any drilling necessary. The top track of the MWE is strictly for stability. It can either be mounted on the top of the wall, or it can be recessed into the wall to allow for more of a seamless look. The Terra M series can accommodate weights from 0 all the way up to 970 pounds with the Terra XL. These are all done in the MWE standard 600 grit finish, stainless steel, and can also be powder coated and PVD coated for an additional pop of color. You can view the Terra XL. You can view the entire Terra wheel series online at www.bartelsdoors.com. We're always here to answer your questions and help guide you to the correct system that meets your design needs. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing Bartels Doors and MWE sliding hardware to your next design project.